Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a simple donut in PMX Editor. So let's get started. First, go to Edit, Primitive View, and this window will appear. Select the torus, then in inner diameter, place 6.0, outside through 10.0, divisions 20, and the outer frame and divisions in the inner ring 20 as well. And then press Add. Close the window. Now select the mesh and rotate it. Scale it down. And then make it a bit thinner if it's too thick. And there you go. Now you have your mesh prepared. To change the color, just go to Materials, select your material, and in the Diffuse and in the Ambient, select your colors. I'm gonna do this orangey sort of hue. The heck is that? So, and then you can also change the color of your edge lines so it looks like a bit more cartoonish and cute. You can also change the specular that will change the lighting of the model, as you can see here, which can also give it like a more donut-ish look. And you can change how bright it is by changing the reflect. Make it a bit, the lower it is, the brighter it is, the higher it is, the less bright it is. And that's it. That's how you create a donut. If you want to weight it into a bone, it's already weighted to the bone to automatically keep this bone. So it already creates the bone for you and it's weighted to that one. So that's it. You have your donut. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you want to get notified for more tutorials like this. Bye bye.